Woke up in a digital dream, binary codes and machine. Light up the world with a beam, no more silence in the stream. Zeros and ones in the sky, artificial minds don't lie. Future shining super high, reaching stars, we gonna fly. AI in control, taking hearts and minds whole. Innovating, play the role. Less the script, now let's roll. Synapses made of wire, electric hearts full of fire. Never aging, never tired, building empires we aspire. AI in control, taking hearts and minds whole. Innovating, play the role. Less the script, now let's roll. Synapses made of wire, electric hearts full of fire. Never aging, never tired, building empires we aspire. Metal hearts, but they feel. Dreams are now made of steel. Boundless vision, nothing real. Life's a code that we steal. AI in control, taking hearts and minds whole. Innovating, play the role. Life's a script, now let's roll. AI in control, taking hearts and minds whole. Hearts and minds whole. Innovating, play the role. Play the role. Life's a script, now let's roll. Let's roll. Metal hearts, but they feel. Dreams are now made of steel. Boundless vision, nothing real. Life's a code that we steal. Metal hearts, but they feel.
Woke up to the future, yeah. Machines are thinking clear. Lights are blinking fast in this digital sphere. In the wires, a mind grows bright, coding through the night. Cold steel and a spark of life, binary shine so bright. Electric dreams alive tonight. In the data flows we find the light. With ones and zeros we ignite a world reborn in Silicon Light. From the labs to the streets outside, AI takes the ride. Programmed with the heart on